The AR, on the other hand, provides a more comprehensive visualization of the crime scene. It overlays digital information onto the physical environment, allowing investigators to virtually walk through the scene and examine it from different angles. They can zoom in on specific areas, replay the potential sequence of events, and even simulate different scenarios. This can lead to a more in-depth understanding of the case and help identify overlooked evidence. Together, AI and AR revolutionize the process of evidence collection. They provide a more detailed and accurate picture of the crime scene, enabling investigators to piece together the puzzle more effectively. They can highlight unseen evidence, reveal hidden connections, and provide new insights that were previously unattainable. In this scenario, AI and AR not only enhance evidence collection, but also contribute to a more just outcome. So, what does this mean for the future of evidence collection in the legal field? Well, let's circle back to the key takeaways. Artificial intelligence and augmented reality are poised to completely revolutionize the way we collect evidence. Picture this: AI algorithms sifting through mountains of data, identifying relevant pieces of evidence in a fraction of the time it currently takes. Augmented reality, on the other hand, can assist in crime scene reconstructions, providing a more immersive and accurate depiction of events. Consider the hypothetical case study we discussed earlier. The technologies enabled a more thorough and efficient investigation, leading to a fairer trial. This isn't just about speeding up the process, it's about enhancing the accuracy and integrity of our justice system. As we move forward, these technologies will become more refined, more integrated into our legal processes. As we look to the future, AI and AR hold incredible promise for enhancing evidence collection and thereby the pursuit of justice.